The 2020 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Mazda has Taycan X30. Volkswagen has the ID.3, and the ID.4 is almost done brewing. Porsche has the Taycan. Mercedes-Benz has the EQC and Audi the e-tron. BMW had the i3 and is now cooking the i4, while Jaguar relies on the I-Pace, so Volvo couldn't just sit around and watch the competition get ahead. So there it is, the Swedish carmaker's first ever electric car, which opens the avenue for a downfall of EVs grouped under the Recharge moniker. Ladies and gents, let's meet the new Volvo XC40 Recharge. Exterior. Just like the Mazda MX-30 is based on the CX-30 crossover, Volvo used the underpinnings of the XC40 for its recharged badged EV. The rationale behind that is quite simple: in order to get the best out of the electric powertrain, Volvo needed the lowest possible curb weight it could offer. What's more, the wrapping also mattered a lot, as people are hot for SUVs and crossovers these days, so instead of using a sedan, Volvo logically decided that its first ever electric car would be an SUV. Now, design-wise, the similarities with the internal combustion engine-powered XC40 are obvious, although the electric nature of the XC40 Recharge comes with its peculiarities. The most obvious change is the front grille. That is, it's not a grille in the traditional sense, as there's no need for engine cooling anymore, so it has been covered by a shield painted in the same color as the body. The lower from splitter also gets a more aesthetically pleasing design through the addition of a glossy black finish, and that pretty much sums up the revision Volvo performed in the front of the XC40 Recharge. Viewed from the side, the XC40 Recharge flaunts the exact same lines and edges as its ICE-powered peer. There's only one modification that Volvo brought here, and it has to do with the charging outlet, which is positioned in the left-hand side rear quarter panel, just about the wheel, between the rear door's handle and the taillamp unit. In the regular XC40, the fuel filler is placed in the same spot, albeit on the right-hand side. That brings us to the rear end, which is flanked by the same sleek LED light clusters with arms that extend from the SUV's hips towards the roofline. The Volvo lettering is kept on the rear hatch for the XC40 Recharge, with the only thing missing being the double exhausts, as they're not needed anymore. The XC40 badge is in the same place, yet on the opposite side of the hatch sits the P8AWD Recharge logo. What P8AWD Recharge stands for is something we'll explain further down the line in this article, inside the drivetrain section. The Recharge lettering on the C-pillars completes the design package for the all-electric SUV. Dimensions and space-wise, we don't expect changes at all, although the positioning of the second E-motor on the rear axle might take a chunk out of the available.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.